Join us on the 9th and 10th of October 2020 on a session which you will remember for life, and learnings will help you grow in life on strategic thinking and execution planning. This is an executive development training for mid-market companies. Executive development consists of executive coaching and organizational discipline. It's an opportunity for professionals, C-level executives, for greater organization alignment, engagement, leadership, and clarity of direction. This is the purpose of adding zeros to profits, a profitable corporate citizenship. Looking forward to meet you.